Art friends, we're going to be drawing some onions today, and so I'm going to start out with my pencil and start drawing the bulb of the onion. And onions are a little bit bigger on top and skinnier on the bottom. They've got a thing coming up here. Stock. And their roots. Okay. So now that I've got it all laid out, I'm going to start drawing it in pencil and putting detail on it, and then I will color it. So I'm going to start with this one over here. Kind of comes down and around, back up, and then we've got some color striations in here. These are red onions, and we have a few little lines coming down with the color. Then we have a bunch of root lines, and when you're drawing something from nature, like seashells or plants, that's called a botanical drawing. So that's what this is a botanical drawing. All right, then we're going to come up here and start drawing the layers in the stalk. And because this is an organic shape, we're not going to have super straight lines. It's got a lot of organic kind of curviness to it. Okay, now we're going to put the other onion on. And this one has lots and lots of little roots at the bottom. Lots of lines. And then it's got a few loose ones coming out when it was pulled out of the ground. And you can see I'm staying with my sketch that I started with to a certain point, but it's not exact. That was just a layout to get just a general idea of where stuff went. Go. And then we've got one more little piece here of this stalk, and they must have cut it short because I'm only seeing a little bit here. All right, and then I think I'm going to put a line here, and now I've got like ground and sky or table and wall, whatever. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thank you for watching.